Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you are well. We are going to start making a platformer. I'm here in Arcade Makecode. We're going to sign in, and remember that when we sign in, you use Microsoft so that it can use the cloud service and it remembers everything that you make. I need to go make sure I've got clicked remember me. I forgot. Never mind. Remember that this can take a while to log in. Go make a new project. I'm going to call this, what should we call it? It needs to be something catchy. In the remake that I'm making this from, they call it Hops and Paws, I think. But I'm going to call this dog versus cat. Because we can change the original, which is a bee, into a dog, and the dog can fall down from the sky, I think. So dog versus cat, and we're going to make the cat. So first of all, what we need to do is in this section is just go and create a sprite. So we need my cat. Going to go in there. It's going to be a kind of player, and then obviously I want my scene, I want my background color to be. In fact, what we'll do is we'll go into the assets and you can change the colors. So we can go and change in here. What should we do? Should we have an adventure? Yes, it's going to have an adventure and apply that. So that when we get the colors into our blocks, and we go and make the cat and the background and the scene, we get better colors. It's going to do that. It's going to choose my background color. I'm going to choose it to be that, and is it going to update? And then when I'm going to choose that color, and then what we're going to do is go make a cat. Let's go make a cat. So here's my cat. I've kept it at 16 by 16 pixels. I think it should be okay. I mean, the cat could be any color you want. So let's go and see if it looks better as another color. So here's a green cat. Does it look nice? Suitable? Maybe even a light brown cat, perhaps. Even an orange if you wanted to go for a tabby kind of feel. But I might just stick with black with a yellow cat's eye in there and keep it as it is. And what I'll call this, we should call this Catto. You can call it what you like. So there's Catto, and so I'm going to go and just refresh this and hit play and make sure that everything's tickety-boo. Now, of course, once we've got this working, we just go and check it out. We want this to be moving now. So the cat's okay. That size cat is okay for this game. And what I want to do now really is I need to go into my controller and move my sprite with buttons. Of course, you can go and change the VX, which is what we talked about in another video. This is a velocity. This is the actual speed of it. X is side to side, and Y is up and down. And I remember this by going yes for Y axis is yes, and no is the X axis. So incorrect. So let's go and see if we've got WASD, and we have, and now it's working fine. So that's the first bit. We'll stop it here and let you go and make it yourself. And this video is going to continue into many chunks until we have sort of 3 levels of a platformer. We're going to make a very basic, an intermediate, and then a high level. So that's what we're aiming for. I'll see you in the next one.